Agarwal and I'm based out of Kolkata. I am part of the marketing team of ITC Infotech and I was extremely thrilled to get a job opportunity from this esteemed company. The onboarding process has been very smooth and my team has been very warm and welcoming. They arranged each and every step of my onboarding process without any hassle and helped me come aboard. As soon as I joined the company, I felt like a part of it and I was overjoyed to be the part of ITC Infotech's marketing team. I look forward to the growth opportunities and the learning experience that the company has to provide. Thank you.